Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. There are two ways to do it. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, and then go into Tab menu. Now look for a floating window shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then tap on this tiny one. And as you can see, now I can use it in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to. In order to use it, overlay the other app, tap on the other one and use both. You can make it tiny again by tapping on Home button and dragging the bubble. Now to resize it, hold one of its corners and drag it. Lastly, if you wish to use this app in full screen view, drag the lower line all the way down. Or if you wish to close your app, just close it in the background. Sorry. You can also tap on one of your apps, but this time, instead of Tap menu, go into Background Apps. Then hold the chosen one and click on this icon in the middle to open it in floating window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!